Hello everyone. Are you facing an issue with your Cash App and seeing the frustrating message, "Your bank declined this payment"? Don't worry. In today's video, we'll dive into how to fix Cash App "Your bank declined this payment" and ensure your transactions go through smoothly. Step 1. Verify your bank account details. Before diving into deeper solutions, start by checking your bank account details in the Cash App. Make sure all the information is accurate and updated. Open the Cash App and tap on the profile icon. Navigate to linked banks and select the bank account in question. Verify all details such as account number and routing number, ensuring no typos or inaccuracies. If everything checks out, proceed to the next steps. Step 2. Check your bank's status. Sometimes technical issues or maintenance work may disrupt your bank's services. Here's how you can check. Visit your bank's official website or app to check for any notices about system downtime. Look for any official announcements on their social media handles. If there's an issue with your bank's services, this might be causing the payment rejection. Step 3. Ensure sufficient funds are available. It might sound simple, but ensuring adequate funds in your bank account can resolve payment issues. Log into your bank account or banking app and check your balance. Ensure the available balance covers the transaction amount and any additional fees that might apply. If your balance is low, top up your account or select a different payment method. Step 4. Update your Cash App. Having the latest version of the Cash App can prevent compatibility issues or bugs that might affect payments. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Cash App. If an update is available, download and install it. Keeping apps updated helps in running them smoothly and securely. Step 5. Contact your bank. If your payment is still being declined, reach out to your bank for further assistance. Call your bank's customer service directly using the official number provided on their website. Ask if there are any holds, flags, or issues with your account that might be causing the payment decline. Request them to whitelist Cash App if necessary. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If you're still facing issues, it's time to reach out to Cash App for help. Open the Cash App and navigate to your profile. Tap on Support and search for Customer Support to report the issue. A support representative can look into the problem and offer tailored solutions like transaction reviews or account setting adjustments. Having your payment declined by Cash App can be frustrating, but following these steps on how to fix Cash App "Your bank declined this payment" can help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Always ensure your information is accurate, keep your apps updated, and reach out to the appropriate parties when needed. Whether it's updating your app, checking your bank account funds, or leveraging customer support, these methods will get you back on track. Make sure to solve any issues before they become bigger problems. And as always, stay safe and secure in your transactions. If you have any questions or want further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Happy transferring.